Teach Me TV, we are back again with another great video for you. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today, we want to show you the websites that will make you money this year. The good news is that you don't have to worry about where to find money-making websites because I've already done the work for you. In this video, I have compiled the top 5 places to make money online right now. I have it broken down into categories and with all of the pros and cons included. Just know that many of these platforms are free to join as well. You won't need to invest anything other than your time to get started. So, let's jump right in and see what you can start doing today. The first is Appsumo. The easiest way to make money on Appsumo is by promoting a product. You can choose from any of their products. For example, there is a website building service that will cost you $97 and they charge you $14 per month after that. If you promote it and 5 people buy, your cut would be $400. If only one person buys, then you'd get one payment of $14. However, if someone refers a friend who buys it as well, then both you and your friend get an extra $10 for each member who buys after being referred. For example, if 10 members buy, then you and your friend get another $100. This can rack up quickly depending on how much traffic you bring in. Appsumo also allows individuals to purchase software at large discounts compared to what is available anywhere else online. Keep in mind that some of these tools are quite complex and require some level of technical knowledge, so do your research. I will never suggest anyone to go in blindly with an idea without a clear plan of some sort. The second is Shopify store. Selling stuff on e-commerce sites like Etsy, eBay and Amazon is a great way to earn money online. However, you'll typically make less money selling through these marketplaces than you would if you set up your own e-commerce store. That is just the facts. To learn more about why it's beneficial as an entrepreneur to sell on your own website and how to get started, I recommend reading what Buffer did in their own Shopify case study. I will put the link in the description. If you are still looking for some good make-money websites that actually pay you, here are a few: Full Timers Club, SuperPay, Paid Surveys Online, Paid Circle, and Cash Crate. Like us on Facebook for more updates. You can even find out where we make our income from. The third is Slick Deals. Launched in 2004, Slick Deals is a daily deal aggregator site. Think of it as a place where people post ads offering savings on products and services they want you to buy. The catch? You don't have to actually purchase anything, although sometimes there are some hidden fees. These deals are available at bargain prices for only a limited time, usually 24 hours. Slick Deals makes money by collecting user data that helps sponsors target consumers through online advertising, and users benefit from free deals and discounts from local businesses. To date, users have saved over $240 million using Slick Deals coupon service. This is great for beginners in our opinion. The fourth is Google Adsense. Google's advertising network is one of the best because they pay you a high share of what they make. It's very simple to use, so all you have to do is create an account, upload your content, which can be anything from HTML pages and banners to flash animations and videos. Choose how much you want to make per click, view, sale, and then set how many views or impressions you want for each piece of content. You'll need at least $1 in your AdSense account before you can start using it. To learn more about using AdSense on your website, check out this step-by-step guide. For all its benefits, however, there are some potential issues with AdSense that you should be aware of. For example, there are times publishers find themselves frustrated because they're not making enough money or experiencing payment delays. So if you're going to use it as a primary way to monetize your site rather than just testing it out, make sure that you know what their payout schedule is going to be. The other is B. You have plenty of time before bills are due. Google AdSense is what I call the icing. It is just another layer to your profit tier cake. The fifth way is dropshipping. One of my favorite ways of making money with websites is dropshipping. The basic idea behind dropshipping is that you're getting paid to act as a middleman between customers and other companies, shipping out products from one place to another. Once you've found a company you want to work with, placing an order for one or more items can be pretty simple. Just browse their site or catalog and add them, and pay for them, online as if you were shopping on your own. When it comes time to ship things out, Most merchants will have automation in place so that when you tell them it's time to send something along, they do it. Usually all that's left for you is paying for some of your business expenses, paying sales tax in some places, and maybe paying fees like subscription charges or transaction costs. The best part about making money like this is being able to charge different prices than any merchant would. That is actually the best part. This form of business can be very lucrative for most people. It can be for you as well. With some education and practice, this could be what you have been waiting for. There will be links in the description for other videos with different techniques and tips when it comes to making money online for the beginners and somewhat experienced. We hope you liked this video. If so, hit the like button. This helps Teach Me TV to continue providing value to you. Also share this video with anyone you think would enjoy this video. Leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.